Hey guys, welcome. This is Hido, and today I'm drawing a bird. I don't know if I wanted to make it a fantasy-like or a classic one, but you know what? Let's make the classic one and let's start. I think this one is called a sparrow, if I'm not wrong. You know what? Let's give the outline first so that I don't mess it up first. Okay, I'm gonna draw the fine details later. First, let's get the symmetrics right. Sometimes I just lose myself in the moment and then I just end up first drawing the fine details, which doesn't always help, to be honest. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. Let's draw the back wing like that as well. I literally just said I don't wanna draw the details first, but I'm already doing it anyways. You know, there's one thing that you gotta keep in mind, that if you're drawing from if you're drawing something whilst looking at the picture, you got to remember that the art style can be different from the painter or the drawer that you're seeing from the Google, so you can change it up a little. So for instance, what I'm doing will be different from what you're drawing, and that's okay, you know. Okay, you know what? Looks like a mess right now. Alright. So, how do you think, guys? Does it look alright? So, do you know what we should draw? We should draw something for this bird to land on, right? Alright. So, let's give a few fine details for the birds, like the head, the eyes, and the beak. So, the eyes, right? I I don't always get the eyes right. So, let's hope it doesn't get awful. Okay, nice. And okay. By the way, have I mentioned that I tried to do live video yesterday and the YouTube didn't let me, but once eventually my YouTube channel gets a little bigger, so I'm thinking that I'll do live ones as well, so that you guys can watch me draw, and if you guys have any suggestions, I'll probably do that as well. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I'm just erasing all the parts all the time, that's how I do it, because I mean, this is the thing. I'm not 100% of what I like drawing all the time, so I draw a lot of things and then I make up my mind about what I like about it and then what I don't like about it, and then I delete the things that I don't like. Which is immensely different from how I do things at engineering. You can't just delete things that you don't feel like doing. But in painting, in drawing, you can really do that. Well, in painting, you are more limited actually compared to drawing. Which is one of the main reasons why I like drawing a lot more, because you have more freedom. You know what I said? The eyes are not right again. Which, the eyes are very important if you ask me. One of the main things when you look at something living, whether it's birds, animal, human beings, I think you always at first look at the eyes. Okay, alright. So, how do you guys like my bird? Is it alright? Let's give it a few last touches as well, and then I think this is it. Alright guys, I think this is it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.